Hey, did you practice math today? Okay? Make sure you do practice every day. Math is not hard. But when you sound like, oh my God, I'm going to do math now, it's going to be very tough for you. Okay? Do little every time, every time. Just like how you do sports, you do little today, tomorrow. That's how you can be the best. Now let's get to the question. My name is Matwana. Leave the comments. Tell me where you come from as a feedback, so I know there are people who want me to continue to make this type of video. Okay, so now let's get to this question here. They say on 29th March, Jackson deposited 35,000 into the saving account. So they just say deposited. So there's no keywords. When you read the question, make sure you catch the keyword, the key concept. The simple interest rate, that's a keyword. The simple interest rate. So if the simple interest rate, we're going to use the following formula. If they say compounded, it's going to be another formula. When they say discount rate, that's going to be another formula. For this case right now, is the simple interest rate. So we're going to say for that case, it's going to be amount principal for simple interest formula minus n minus n plus 1 plus 1 plus what plus interest rate times time. So this is a formula for simple interest rate. My apology for a mistake on that first. Okay, so amount equal to principal 1 plus in. Okay, sometimes other people they use this as a t or n, the same thing. N means time, but at the time in years, number of years. Okay, now let's get to the question. What did they give to us? They give us Justin deposited. So these P represent principal, the money that you start your business with, the money that you invested, you start a business with. Okay, that's going to be represented by P for the simple interest rate. But for the other formula, P can represent another things. But for simple interest, P represents the amount that you're going to deposit the money now. Now, what about A? A, when you put your money now, how much you're going to have after 6 months, 1 year, 6 years? That's A. So A represents amount accumulated after a certain period of time, after a number of years. So now we have an I here, interest rate 7.5 per year. But now they ask if you start. So now they didn't give us exactly time, but they say you started from 28th March to 10th of October. So we can do a math and calculate how many days. So we have to count days from 29 March. So we're going to say March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So for March, the 29th it's going to be 2 days to get to April, because 29, 30, 31. So it's going to be 2 days. April, how many days in April? We know it's 30 days. So check your calendar, count all the days. May, also how many days in May? May 31 days. May is 31 days. Okay, so we know May is just 31 days. Okay, so add all those days. June, how many days? June is 30 days. July is 31. August is 31. September is 30. And October, remember they say from 29th March. That's why I only take 2 days here, because 29th March is going to be 30, 31. Okay, and October is going to be 10 days. If you add all of this, it's going to give you 195. But you can do your due diligence, do your right work, and see how you can add. Okay, some people say, oh, I go 196. It's okay, just plug in there, and then you're going to take a very close answer, the answer which is going to be closer to database. So we have in 195 days. Okay, so for that case now we have time, but at this time remember it must be in years. When they say n is number of time in years, so I'm going to say 195 days. You divide how many days in 1 year? 365 days. So that's the number of days in 1 year in total. That's why I have to divide by the total. Okay, so now for that being said, let's take that, plug in a calculator. See, so now we're going to say now amount, because they say how much you're going to have. The amount accumulated means we're looking for the A. So when amount accumulated, the principal with the money you start a business with, which we say 35,000. Okay, and then we see 1 is just a 1, means 1 plus interest rate 7.5 percent, multiply by number of years. How many number of years? Number of years going to be number of years means to say number of days, because you don't have a year, it's just a days, which is 195 but you must divide by 365 to in years to change the days to years. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, this is same as say amount equal to 35 1 plus 7. I want to write percent. If somebody say 3%, you same as say 3. So 7.5%, 7.5 over 100. They'll multiply by 195 over 365. Okay, so the amount, or if you plug in the calculator, is gonna give you, let's plug together, C. Let's plug together and see. Okay, okay, so we're gonna say 35 3 5 00. My calculator sometimes being eaten up, and then we close the bracket, say 1, and then we plus 7.5 7.5. Okay, let me just wait for it to count, face. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Hey, I'm just waiting for the calculator to come. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I know I made a mistake. I'm gonna remove that zero very soon. Let's just go and they'll come and remove that zero soon. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting for it to come, bro. I'm just waiting for it to pop. It just kind of slow a little bit, kind of lag a little bit. My calculator is laggish a little bit, but it's coming now. Huh? I'm just waiting for it to bring the number. But hey, for so long, share the video, man. You know, show your boy some love and learn. The most important to learn, okay? Learn. Is very, very crucial. Learn. Okay. So say shift and then percentage. Percentage, and then we multiply by 195. Excuse me, sorry, 195, and then go to the bottom, say 365. And then come right here, close the bracket. But then I must go back and remove the zero. Okay, so remove the zero. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then backspace. Okay, it's gonna come now, my family. See, it's not supposed to be 35,000. It's just 3,500. So I'm gonna remove the zero now. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the zero. Move the zero. So it can make a lot of sense. I'm just wanting to pop. Okay. I've already removed the zero. You're gonna see now the zero is gone very soon. And then we can say equal to. Sure. That called what? I'm sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. So while we're waiting for the cause, the reason why I'm just waiting because I want to show you some people that might get 196. And they say, oh, me want to count because I also had the same issue when I did this question. Why I go 196 days? So I want to show you now how you can get 196. Let's say, and then which answer you take the closer answer. Okay. Oh God, this calculator is sleeping, man. Okay, yeah, I just want to remove the zero now. I did remove the zero. Huh? Yes. Let's go. Let's see now, huh? Let's go remove the zero. It's gonna remove the zero now. There we go. It's gonna move the zero and there we go. Okay, cool. So now you see now everything's on place. Now we say equal to. Get an answer. And then we're gonna put 196. So that's gonna give when you put in the calculator and give an answer. The option is gonna be option number 1, but I want to show you. These kids gonna be option number 1. Yes. Option number 1. You see? So exactly because it's going to be 23. See 23 9 when your approximate is going to be 36 40. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct answer. So now how if you put so there you understand what I'm saying. Now let's put 196 and then I can show you what I mean. So even if you put 196, that's going to be the most close answer, the option number 1. Okay? See? Okay. So for now, if you say 195, let somebody get 195, it gives us exactly this. Because remember, say 136.64.239. When you approximate, it's going to make what? 4. So that's the option number 1. Do approximation. Now let's put, let's say it was 196 days. Let's make assumptions. 196 days. So I'm going to come and say, I want to put 6 days. Okay. Oh man, my calculator is very slow, man. Now, my beautiful family. Easy. Oh. Okay. It's extremely slow. I need to do something about this. I need to upgrade my quickness, So anyway, whichever you're gonna use. Okay, let's see if it's gonna come now. 196. Okay, so we say remove that, and then put 6. Now it's 6, and let's say equal to. Okay, let's say equal to now. So this is gonna give us, let's see now. Let's say somebody get 196 days. So we wanna see what or which answer we're gonna get. And which one we're gonna pick. Huh? Let's see. I love this. I love it. Okay, so let's say SD. If you get your answer fraction, just click the FSD. See the SD with my arrow at? Right, it's gonna give us a decimal now. But my calculator is almost freezing. It's like ice cold, frozen. Okay. Come on now, just this one here. I'm gonna use this one right here now. I'm upset. Okay, let me just plug quick here and then I'll show you right there because it takes a lot of time. 265 790 because we don't have a time for the 873. So you see here, so I don't know if you can see. Quash. No, I don't think you can see. So it's still the answer is 3640. So this is most closest answer, So yeah. So then it's still the option 1. See? So thanks a lot for your time, man. The calculator is a prank, man. But hey, I'm trying my best with all the resources that I have just to give it to you, my beautiful familiar, my beautifully familiar. Peace, and I'm gonna see you soon, and I'm out.